People in Bangalore heard a loud booming noise at around 12:15 pm on Friday and immediately took to Twitter to speculate what it was. According to reports, the loud noise was heard in ISRO layout, HSR layout, Benson Town, Sarjapur, Ulsoor, South Bengaluru, East Bengaluru, and JP Nagar areas of the city. Many internet users believed that it was perhaps a sonic boom caused by a trainee fighter jet flying over the city from the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited airport. However, HAL refused to comment on Friday's incident. Regular sorties of fighters and trainee aircraft take place from HAL airport. Today was no different. HAL can't comment on the loud noise reportedly heard today in Bengaluru, HAL spokesperson told ANI. A sonic boom is an explosive noise caused by the shock wave from an aircraft or other object traveling faster than the speed of sound. The sonic boom on Friday refreshed memories of the one that occurred in May last year in 2020. Many netizens called this an annual affair. Last year, the Ministry of Defense tweeted that it was caused by a routine IAF test flight outside of city limits when the aircraft was decelerating from a supersonic to a subsonic speed at an altitude of 36,000 to 40,000 feet above sea level. A sonic boom has the potential to shatter glasses or cause minor damages to buildings if it occurs within city limits. Friday's boom even rattled windows. However, since the noise of the boom is so loud that even if an observer is, say, 80 kilometers away from the aircraft, the person can hear the sound like a thunderclap distinctly as it travels far and wide. Several people on Twitter also joked that hearing a sonic boom on World UFO Day was rather telling. What do you think the booming noise was? Tell us in the comments below.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.